Welcome to 46342 Bartlett Drive, located in Canton, Michigan. When you first walk in, there is a roomy closet suitable for shoes and coats. This is the sitting room. It's extremely spacious and can fit lots of furniture and still be comfortable. The dining room is very cozy and can fit about 8 guests. This kitchen is stunning. It has vast amounts of counter space and cabinets. The fridge includes a water and ice dispenser. And a stunning island bar. The backyard is extremely spacious and even comes with a play structure. The living room is the perfect hangout and can fit a sectional and other furniture comfortably. It also features a lovely fireplace. This room is perfect for a downstairs study and can fit a large desk as well as other furniture comfortably. It also includes a closet. The laundry room comes with a washer and dryer and has lots of storage. Right off the laundry room is a 2-car garage with space for storage. In the hallway by the kitchen is a stunning half bath. It includes under the sink storage. The master bedroom is large enough to fit a California king as well as other furniture comfortably. It features a great built-in desk. And a massive walk-in closet. Here we have the master bathroom. It has a stand-in shower, under the sink storage, and a bigger storage area. This bedroom is big enough for a full-size bed and other furniture to fit comfortably. It also features a large closet. This bathroom features 2 sinks, under the sink storage, and a built-in place to sit and get ready. As well as a roomy tub. This bedroom is big enough for a full-size bed and other furniture to fit comfortably. It also has a roomy closet. The hallway features a closet with lots of storage. The last bedroom is big enough for a twin-size bed and other furniture to fit comfortably. It also features a spacious closet. Apply for free at oldtownrealty.net, or to set up a showing, give us a call at 734-663-8989.